In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation, a classroom project, or just want to organize some thoughts visually, Google Slides is a versatile tool that can help you convey your ideas clearly and professionally. Let's get started and explore everything you need to know about accessing, creating, and sharing your presentations. First, let's discuss how you can access Google Slides. You have a couple of options here. If you're already using Google Drive, simply navigate to drive.google.com. Once there, click on the New button, located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Google Slides. You'll then see the option to start a blank presentation or to begin with from a template. Alternatively, you can go directly to slides.google.com, where you'll find your recent presentations and have the opportunity to start new ones from the same simple interface. Now, on to creating your presentation. If you opt for a blank presentation, this will give you a clean slate, allowing you to build each slide exactly as you envision it. If you'd rather not start from scratch, you can select from a variety of templates. These pre-designed templates provide a head start with attractive layouts and designs, making it easier to create professional-looking presentations. If you already have existing PowerPoint files, you're in luck because you can upload and convert them to Google Slides seamlessly. Once you've set up your canvas, it's time to add and customize content. To add or manage text, simply click on any existing text box or create a new one to edit and format as needed. For more visual elements, use the toolbar to insert shapes, images, and other objects. Arranging these elements just right can help clarify your message and make your presentation more engaging. Additionally, you have the option to integrate animations and transitions that give your slides an appealing and dynamic flow. Don't forget to explore the various themes available, which can visually unify your presentation with consistent colors and styles. When you're ready to present your hard work, click the Slideshow button to display your slides in full screen. Sharing your presentation with others is incredibly simple too. Just click the Share button to choose who can view, comment on, or edit your slides. This feature is a great way to collaborate effectively, as multiple people can work on the presentation at the same time. Any updates will appear instantly for all collaborators, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Google Slides. It's an intuitive platform that, with a little practice, will make your presentation process smooth and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!